Hello and welcome to this video. We are going to solve the exercise, Exploiting Path Delimiters for Web Cache Deception. In the video description you will find a link to a write-up. The write-up contains more detailed descriptions. So if you have any questions, just have a look in the write-up. We click on the link, My Account, and log into the application with the username Wiener and the password Peter. We now see the account data of the user Wiener. In addition to his username, we also see his API key. We now switch to the burp proxy and open the HTTP History tab. In the HTTP History, search for the request get/myaccount and send it to burp repeater. We now switch to the burp repeater and insert any characters string in the first line. When we send the request, we receive a 404 not found response. Now we remove our appended string and add it to the origin path. We are still receiving a 404 not found response. However, we will use this request as a reference to identify characters that are not used as separators. We send this request to burp intruder. Now switch to the burp intruder and check whether the attack type is set to sniper attack. Now we insert a payload position in our path. To do this, click with the mouse between /myaccount and ABC and click on the Add button. In the next step, we go back to the start page of this exercise and copy the list of limiters. This list is also in the write-up. Click on the Paste button under Payload Configuration in the Payload section. In the Payload Encoding subsection, we still need to deactivate the URL encode these characters checkbox. Now we start the attack by clicking on the Start Attack button. After completion, we sort the output by clicking on the Status Code column. There we see that the two delimiters and have been given a status code of 200. All other characters have received a 404. We switch to the burp repeater and add ? to our path and at the same time refer to the static resource abc.js. If we now send this request, we do not receive any information about caching in the response. Now we change the delimiter from ? to semicolon and send the request again. In the response, we now see caching headers cache control, age and xcache. The value of the header xcache is miss. This means that the resource is not yet in the cache. If we send the request again, we get the header xcache with the value hit. In the browser, we now switch to the exploit server and scroll down to the body. Here we now insert an exploit that redirects the user Carlos to our malicious URL created earlier. After everything has been adjusted, we now click on the Deliver Exploit to Victim button and paste the address from our exploit into a new tab in the browser. We now see the account of the user Carlos. We now copy the API key from Carlos and click on the Submit Solution button. We have successfully completed the exercise.